Okay students, in this video we'll do states of matter, solids, liquids and gases. Solids. Solids have definite shape and size. Children, table, chair, pencil, do all of this definite shape and size? Yes. When water is frozen, it becomes ice, underline. Solids have a definite shape and size. When water is frozen, it becomes ice. Pieces of ice are hard and they have a fixed or definite shape, underline. They keep the same shape. Things such as a table, pen, pencil, and bag have a fixed shape. Underline. The molecules in solids are very closely packed. This gives them their definite shape. You can see the molecular arrangement in the solids. Okay, the molecules in solids are very closely packed. This gives them their definite shape. Solids have definite shape and size. Revise for 2 minutes. Students, try it yourself. Take any two solids like a book and a pencil box. Place them on a paper. Draw their outlines by moving a pencil around them. You can do this because they have a definite shape and size. Okay. Due to definite shape and size, you can draw it. Number 2, liquids. You must have often poured water into a bottle. The water flows into a bottle and quickly fills it. Water flows easily because it is a liquid. You have seen now, when you poured water on the table, it flows down. Water flows easily because it is a liquid. Underline. Liquids such as milk, oil, and juice flow easily and take the shape of the container in which they are poured. They have a fixed volume but do not have a fixed shape. Liquids, they have fixed volume but do not have a fixed shape. The molecules in liquids have space between them. They have space between them. This enables them to flow and take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Understood, children? The molecules in liquids, they have space between them. This enables them to flow and they take the shape of the container in which you will keep it. Try it yourself. Take 4 containers of different shapes and sizes. Okay. Pour exactly 1 glass of water into each of the container and observe. What do you observe? You will observe that number 1, liquids flow and can be poured. Number 2, they take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Okay. Number 3, they have no shape of their own. They don't have their own shape. In which container you put it, they take the same shape. In which container you will kept it. Revise for 2 minutes. Gases, underline. If we heat the water, it changes into water vapor or steam. Steam is a gaseous form of water. Okay. Which is a gaseous form of water? Steam. The sun heats the water in the water bodies that exist on the earth. This water changes into water vapor and rises in the air. This is called evaporation. These water vapor mix with the air. They are free to move around all over the space. The gases have no definite volume, shape or size. Like liquid, gases can also flow, but they flow faster than liquid. Gases flow faster than liquids. The molecules in gases have a lot of space between them. This enables them to flow more than liquids. The table given below gives the difference between solid, liquid and gas. Children, gases, when water changes into water vapor heating, it is called evaporation. And when water vapor changes back into water on cooling, it is called condensation. Children, gases, they have no definite volume, no shape, no size. Okay, but they flow faster than liquids. They flow faster than liquids because the molecules in gases, there is a lot of space between them. This enables them to flow more than liquids. Who flow fast? Gases flow fast than the liquids. Children, wise for 2 minutes. Children, differences between solids, liquids and gases. Solids, they have fixed shape, they have fixed volume, molecules have very little space between them. Liquids, they do not have fixed shape, they have fixed volume. Molecules have space more than solids between them. Gases do not have fixed shape, do not have fixed volume. Molecules, they have maximum space between them. Understood, children? Solids, they have fixed shape. Liquids, they don't have fixed shape. Gases do not have fixed shape. Solids, they have fixed volume. Liquids have fixed volume, but gases, they do not have fixed volume. In solids, molecules have very little space between them. In liquids, they have space more than solids. Gases, they have maximum space between them. Revise for 5 minutes.